We've gotten a few questions recently about how to replace the wick from your Tindår Wick Bellow, whether you've used the bellow at your campfire or you're running low on wick and just need to replace it with our refill pack. We're going to show you all the quickest and easiest way that we've found to do this. So let's go ahead, we'll get started by removing the bellow. And we'll just imagine that this wick has already been burned down enough so that it's not coming out of the end of the bellow anymore. So we'll set this one aside. We'll grab one of our brand new ones. One of the easiest ways to do this is the wick is actually braided, so kind of twist in the direction of the braid and just get it where it's not fluffed up on the end at all. And then you'll just take your bellow, just kind of twist the wick in. There will be a little bit of wax potentially come off, but that's no problem at all. And just kind of keep twisting it till it reaches the other end. And at this point, you can either tie this off in a knot, like this one right here, or you can leave it this way. It's totally up to you. But that is the quickest and easiest way to replace the wick in your Tindår Wick Bellow.